Before cutting, the hot wire should be adjusted according to the cutting position of the sample. Loosen the fixing nut of the wire, adjust according to the scale line, and check whether the cutting wire meets the V-shaped block after adjustment, if it will damage the wire. Power on, then press heat. Select the cutting power according to the diameter of the sample bottle and the thickness of the bottle, and adjust the power to 5-6 according to the actual situation. After the adjustment, put the sample bottle on the support, the mouth of the bottle. Press the handle down at a constant speed and release the handle after the sample is removed. The cutting test is completed.